Stock ticker symbol DIGAF. Currently traded at 13 cents and 75. 13.75. Just under 14 cents right now. We've been tracking this one for a while. Not on the charts. I've seen it posted on investorshangout.com a lot. Way back here, back when it started running, I remember it's been talked about basically for the last few months here. Right now, you guys fell below the 20-day simple moving average, which you can see right here. I would definitely keep an eye. There was a gap right here. Looks like all gaps are filled now. Let's pay attention to what happens here over the next few days and see if this recoils off of this. But like I said, apparently from the way that I'm seeing this, all of the gaps are now filled. So we're going to watch for a bounce off that 20-day or possibly the 30. But we're going to see how this one sets up. I would really like to see that the support at 13 cents holds. It could be setting up right now to bounce off this area. But like I said, all gaps are filled. So watch how this one plays out. I mean, as far as, am I going to be able to see which way it's going to go? It's kind of at that tipping point right now. But I'm like I said, this area is going to have to hold if it's going to turn around. Watch for that bounce off the 20-day. I'll hand it over to Joe because we've never covered this one.
Yeah, I was just looking at this bunch of 6Ks, and what a 6K is, it's a report of foreign private insurer pursuant to Rule 13A, 16, under the Securities Exchange Act of 1934. So I was kind of going through to see what this was all about. Because the last one was in regards to February 24th, 2017. It was a 6K for the Digatrade Financial Corp, an online digital asset exchange platform and blockchain development services company. On February 24th, provides the results of the annual general meeting that was held on February 22nd, 2017, at the company offices located at 1500 West Georgia Street, Suite 1300, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. All right, so the final tabulation certified by Broadridge Financial Solutions was 51 proxies voted, representing 29,669,961 shares, with a percentage of 42,911,150 shares issued and outstanding, 69.14%. Following the AGM, the following resolutions were adopted. All right, so it's pretty much Brad Moyens was reelected as director, president, CEO. And that's pretty much that. Let's see. Tyrone Darty was reelected as director. Paul Henry was not reelected as director. All right, so that changed right there. So Paul Henry was not reelected as a director. All right, so the appointment of Watson Dauphiny and Music Charter Accountant as auditors for the company for the ensuing year. So the company continues to develop its digital asset trading platform. It's Digatrade.com and blockchain development services with the vision to increase initial digital offerings, IDOs, and subsequent asset listings on the platform with a simple application that is both fast and cost-effective for new and existing customers. With the recent all-time trading high in the price of Bitcoin on February 23rd, 2017, Digatrade CEO Brad Moyens stated, "We are encouraged to see Bitcoin surge in value with a market capitalization now exceeding $19 billion. We anticipate further growth and a broader acceptance of digital assets in the implementation of distributed ledger technology with the world's largest financial institutions over the next several years." So that's that. That was that 8K right there. Then there's another one, and that was it was regarding the solicitation for the proxies. That was regarding like all this. I'm guessing that, I just read to you. That's pretty much that. And then, yeah, that's it. Let's see what they go for news too. AGM. All right, so on the 24th, they announced the AGM results. Additional documents. All right. So I have to click and open it and see. Which is the same thing. All right, so pretty much that's it, man. You got to go through all them filings to figure out and get in them queue get the idea of what's going on with them, like financials. All right, so if you're interested in doing some due diligence, sorry, Dave, I had like a brain fart on something because I had too many things open. All right, if you're interested in doing some due diligence on BitX Financial Corp, just go right over to the DGIF, DIGAF board on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that BidX Financial Corp board on Investors Hangout.
All right, again with the chart 1375, watch, all gaps are filled now. You might bounce from here, and you guys are already starting to climb up a little bit. So keep an eye on this one. Resistance at 1413. It's already popped that 1510. It's pretty close. Support at 13 and 1235. If you follow this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. If you have a hot stock you'd like to share with us, head over to investorshangout.com/live.